guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. You guys, today is going to be another kinky twist or a natural kinky twist hair update video. So if you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. So you guys, today is February 8th, 2023. Just to let you guys know where we are in the calendar day for this update. You guys, I have already started twisting the back of my head. I kind of got a little impatient and I was kind of getting a little lazy and I didn't want to pick up the camera, but I was like, I can't leave my peoples like this. Like, I have to show y'all or tell y'all what has happened with my hair within the last 2 months or maybe the month, because I already gave you a hair update video, but this past month. So I am retwisting my hair, but that's going to be the next video on what I'm using to retwist my hair. But what I've done with my hair differently these 2 weeks, I actually did my hair. My hair is white because I put a product in here, and don't mind that. But it'll all be taken care of by the time I get all of my retwisted. It would all be melted because I just put a clump of it in there. But you guys, my hair has been up since December 17th. My sister-in-law parted my hair. I feel like the parting really made my hair more uniformed, if that makes sense. So I don't feel like my hair got as tangled on itself like it did the first time I put the kinky twist in my hair. So the first time I put the kinky twist in my hair was like September 21st or September 25th of 2022, and I took those twists out of my head when I went to Kansas in December. I washed my hair, my sister-in-law parted my hair, and then I put these kinky twists in my hair. So this is my second round of kinky twists, and these ones have been in my hair for 2 full months. Well, on the 17th it'll be 2 full months, so I'm literally like 7 days shy of the 17th. But I am actually enjoying these twists. I have not washed I washed my hair one time, and I've been wetting my hair, but I haven't been mangling my hair up, which it's really helped with the back of my hair with the takedown. My hair is not tangled and it don't feel like it is locking on itself, because I told you with my previous twist on the takedown, I feel like my hair had locked on itself because I was washing my hair once a week using shampoo and conditioning it, and I feel like that really contributed to a little bit more hair loss than I needed to lose hair. I have done a protein treatment on this batch of kinky twist, and I've also did a tea rinse on my hair twice. So, and then I've also did 4 hot oil treatments on my hair using my heated cap. But one thing that I do have to say is when I pull my hair down, and I've talked about this before, how thin my hair is at the bottom really makes me want to cut it off. But I talked to my sister-in-law Tiara, and she was just basically like, if your hair is not damaged from split ends, single strand knots, or whatever the hair is going up the shaft, and it's only thinner because of the loss of COVID, like the hair loss from COVID, then you should just leave your ends on your hair. The same thing that my husband said. But like I told y'all, I get real scissor happy. Like, I get real gangster with the scissors around Eve, and my hair looking like this on the ends, I just be like, dude, I can literally just cut it off. And I seriously want to cut it off. And I think in one of my other videos I told y'all that my husband hid my scissors curl. He didn't touch my scissors. I just forgot where I put them, and I just cleaned up my bathroom and I found my scissors. So he didn't touch them. He didn't touch them at all. I feel what my husband and my sister-in-law is saying is like, because my hair, the new growth is not in jeopardy from the thin ends, I should just let it grow out and then cut just a little bit at a time. So at this point, I hadn't cut my hair since August, and I did document that for you guys because I was at bra strap length when I cut all of that hair off. I am back fully at waist length right now, as you guys seen in my December blow dry video. So I feel like maybe if I blow dry my hair again, I should cut my hair back up to bra strap length. But like I told y'all, the top of my hair is so much longer than the back side of my hair, and if I do cut my hair, I can't cut the nape of my hair off because it needs to catch up to the top of my hair, and I will only be cutting the top of my hair for right now until the bottom of my hair catches up with it at least getting to mid back length before I start kind of trimming a little bit of it off, because I'm pretty sure my thin ends is just going to stay thin until I just get it all back healthy in one length. But that's what these updates are for. This takedown is being really easy, but that's going to be in my next video to let you guys know what I'm using and how the takedown is actually going. And then I will try to take down a couple of twists and redo them on film with you guys. But this is what my hair looks like right now with my edges and the new growth. And let me see. So this is how much my hair has grown out. Like I said, I know it's white. I put this product in my hair and I just haven't melted it. I've been trying to keep it really moisturized. But this is how much my hair has grown out. It's about an inch to probably a little under an inch. But my hair is really thriving in this hairstyle, you guys. Like, this is the best thing ever. So if you guys really, really want to see growth, do that DIY hair oil video. You guys, the hair oil that I am going to be selling is a little different from that video, but that is a great starter video if you guys want the oil faster, because like I told you, me and my husband is financing all of this by ourselves, and starting a business is not cheap, it's not easy, and it's not a quick process. I've been in the works with this for about 3 years now, and I'm just now getting the bottles, the labels, the boxes, the shipping packages, and all of that stuff. So there is a DIY form on the channel if you want to get your own little mix, but I am using a different mixture than that DIY, but that's a great starter point. So yeah, the oil in this protective style has been A1 for me. So yeah, I will come in here after I redo my hair and just probably give you guys another month update when it's time for me to wash my hair. I'm trying to keep these particular kinky twists in and just redoing one braid at a time. I'm trying to keep them in probably at least 9 months. My sister-in-law parted my hair in December, so January, February, March, April, May, June. I might be seeing my sister-in-law again, and that's 6 months, and I'm really trying to figure out if I want her to if I want to go through taking all of my hair down out of town, pre-washing it, maybe blow drying it here before I go back and see her, and then just having her part my hair, and then me trying to figure out when I'm gonna braid all of my hair up while I'm out of town, because I'm only probably gonna see her 10 days this time. So I'm really trying to figure out if I want to do that, but that'll be 6 months that she parted my hair, and I'll just be redoing these every 2 months. So today is February 8th, and I've already done them, and it's already been 2 months. So February, March, April, I redo them again. And then April, then May, June. So that will be the third time that I would be re-braiding or taking down my hair and redoing it one at a time. That will be the third time. So I haven't made up in my mind, but I know most definitely I'm going to be having these particular sets in until June. I do want to push for 8 to 10 months, but June, then that's July, August, September, October. I don't think I'm going to be seeing her in October, November, December, January, February. Yep. Nope. March maybe. So then that'd be like 16 months that this particular set of braids with the parting will be in my hair, and I don't know if I can go that long. And I bet you guys are wondering, it's like, well, why don't you just part your own hair? I don't feel like I part my hair good enough. And then if I pass up the time of her doing my hair in June, that's a whole nother 8 months that I'm probably not gonna be with her for her to do my hair. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but you guys, we're just gonna take it these next 2 times. I know that I'm gonna be rebraiding this. So I don't know when I'm gonna take them down yet. It might be June, and it may be a little later than June. But I have to see how this retwist goes, and then if I'm comfortable or if it looks good, then I'm gonna just keep it up for that long. So I rambled enough on this video, you guys. So yeah, if these updates are helping you, just seeing my hair and me telling you about my experience with my hair and what I'm going through, then just give me a thumbs up, and please leave comments down below. And like always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.